Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Digital Investment Guru. Today, we are embarking on a crucial journey, setting up your very own cryptocurrency wallet. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our crypto insights. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to cryptocurrency wallets. Before we dive into the setup, let's understand what a cryptocurrency wallet is. It's like your digital bank account, but it doesn't hold physical cash. Instead, it securely stores your digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Section 2. Types of cryptocurrency wallets. There are several types of wallets. Number 1. Software wallets. These are apps or software programs that you install on your computer or smartphone. Number 2. Hardware wallets. Physical devices for maximum security. Number 3. Paper wallets. A piece of paper with your public and private keys. Number 4. Mobile wallets. Apps designed for smartphones, offering convenience on the go. Section 3. Setting up a software wallet. Let's set up a software wallet. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Choose a wallet. Select a reputable wallet like KuCoin, CoinBase, and Binance. I have links down in the description below. Step 2. Download and install. Follow the instructions for your device. Step 3. Create a strong password. Ensure it's unique and secure. Step 4. Backup your recovery seed. This is very crucial for your account recovery. Section 4. Setting up a hardware wallet. If you're opting for a hardware wallet, this is the step. Step 1. Inbox and connect. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Initialize the device. Set a PIN for added security. Step 3. Backup your recovery seed. Store this in a safe place. It's your lifeline. Section 5. Safety and security. Security is paramount. Ensure your wallet is protected by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your recovery seed offline. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Before we get back to the informative video, if you're looking to navigate the wild world of cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce something special, my new ebook, Mastering Cryptocurrency Investing, now available on Amazon. Inside this ebook, you'll discover comprehensive insights from the basics of blockchain technology to advanced trading techniques. This ebook covers it all. Real-world examples. Dive into case studies and real examples that illustrate successful investment approaches. Market analysis techniques. Understand how to analyze market trends, evaluate projects, and make informed decisions. Now, here's the exciting part. By grabbing your copy of Mastering Cryptocurrency Investing today, you're equipping yourself with the tools and knowledge to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. And guess what? For a limited time, I'm offering a special discount exclusively for our community. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this invaluable resource. As someone deeply immersed in the crypto space, I poured my experience, insights, and expertise into this ebook to help you succeed. I believe understanding cryptocurrencies shouldn't be daunting, it should be empowering. So if you're ready to take your cryptocurrency investments to the next level, click the link below, grab your copy, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. You've just set up your cryptocurrency wallet. That's a big step in your crypto journey. If you find this video helpful, show us some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Hey, crypto enthusiasts! As you've just mastered the art of setting up your cryptocurrency wallet, let's talk about taking your security to the next level. Introducing the Ledger Nano X, a top-tier hardware wallet that ensures the utmost protection for your digital assets. This sleek device provides an extra layer of security by keeping your private keys offline, away from potential cyber threats. Here's why the Ledger Nano X is a game changer. Number 1. Enhanced security. Your keys, your control. Keep your crypto safe from online vulnerabilities. 2. On-the-go access. Manage your assets anytime, anywhere with the convenience of Ledger Nano X's mobile compatibility. Number 3. User-friendly. Easy to use and navigate, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned traders alike. Secure your crypto journey today. Check out the Ledger Nano X on Amazon through the link in the description below. Remember, your security matters.